亞冠軍啊，嚟到香港跑第二。
姜陽明佢追咗成條直路啊，步步都過唔到佢。
係啊，
真係步步都過唔到。
AC 啊，嚟個孖先啊！一有第一場就唔止一隻啦，係嘛？但係呢隻一實係噶嘛。
其他就第四都輸遠啦，都買唔到新嘅嗰啲馬都。
自己無敵都係上屆冠軍嚟㗎啦，有到第四啊。咁轉個人追少少咯。
好啦，第五場都復幫完畢，派彩作實啦。我係 GQ 啦，一搭二派14蚊，一搭六派21個半，二搭六派58個半。二重彩啦，1號、2號順序派29蚊。4連環1號、2號、6號、8號派832蚊。四重彩1號、2號、6號、8號順序派2910蚊。馬步派彩頭關6號尾關1號派36個半，頭關6號尾關2號呢派69個半。
佢勁在咩場地都得，係嘛？季初黏地又得。
第一號三寶啦，頭關9號，次關6號，尾關1號呢派353蚊啦，尾關2號嘅安慰獎呢就派450蚊嘅。
好啦，張大合照啊，草地。澳遊係馬主都喺度啊，
一齊拉咗先。
係啦。
每一場都係聽到賢仔 call 無敵嘅姿態，
仲要拖慢嚟講嘅。
係啊，
因為佢過完終點仲要等啊嘛，
等第二名到，
等第二名到啊嘛，係嘛？一定要拖慢嚟講，好厲害噶嘛。不過姜陽明區今日出奇地冷落啲啊，臨尾都23蚊位置。
3 win 啊！呢隻嘉應高升。
各位來賓，主席短途獎頒獎儀式現在開始。
Ladies and gentlemen, the trophy presentation ceremony of the Chairman Sprint Prize will now commence.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have been treated to another exhilarating performance from the best sprinter in the world, Kai Ying Rising, representing Hong Kong, China in the Chairman's Sprint Prize.
各位馬迷經過一輪激烈嘅龍爭虎鬥，主席短途獎已經名花有主啦，係由嚟自中國香港嘅嘉應高升勝出㗎。
It's no exaggeration to say that this is one of those I was there moments. He's a generational talent. And after winning the Chairman's Sprint Prize today, Ka Ying Rising becomes the 5th winner to sweep all 3 Group 1 races of the Hong Kong Speed Series, earning an additional bonus of $5 million Hong Kong dollars.
恭喜晒嘉應高升成為咧第5隻勝出香港速度系列3關賽事嘅馬匹，並獲得咧港幣500萬嘅特別獎金嘅，恭喜晒！
May we now invite our club's chairman, Mr. Michael Lee, to present the main trophy of a Chairman's Sprint Prize and the miniature to the Ka Ying Syndicate, the winning owners of Ka Ying Rising.
我哋本會主席李子豪先生現正咧就係將我哋主席短途獎嘅主杯啦，就係頒發俾咧阿梁生㗎，就係俾我哋勝出馬匹嘉應高升嘅馬主代表啊！咁我哋嘅馬主咧就係嘉應團體嘅，恭喜晒！ So Chairman also to present the miniature to the representative from Ka Ying Syndicate, Mr. Zhang. 咁主席咧而家就將我哋嘅小型獎杯咧頒發俾我哋勝出馬匹嘉應高升嘅馬主嘉應團體代表曾生，係啦，恭喜晒！
Can I now invite Mr. Lee to present the Hong Kong Speed Series bonus, $5 million Hong Kong dollars to the winning owners.
冇錯啦，本會主席李子豪先生啱啱咧就將一張港幣500萬嘅特別獎金嘅支票咧頒發俾嘉應高升嘅馬主代表張生，恭喜晒！
And now to the trophy presentations for winning trainer and jockey. First of all, Chairman, I'd like to ask you to present the miniature to winning trainer, the man who's handled this brilliant sprinter so masterfully, David Hayes.
好，繼續熱烈掌聲，我哋有請主席咧將小型獎杯咧頒發俾我哋勝出馬匹嘅練馬師大衛希斯。Thank you so much.
Congratulations, David. And finally, Chairman, please present the miniature to winning rider. He's done it again. Multiple Hong Kong champion, Zach Burton.
啱啱主席咧就將我哋嘅小型獎杯頒發俾我哋勝出馬匹嘅騎師潘頓。Thank you, Chairman. Okay, let's all hold for a group photo together to capture this monumental occasion. 好，我哋一齊影張相先。我哋望望前方。Let's look at all our media friends right here at the front, and all the racing fans here today for the FWD Champions Day 2025.
A special race, a special horse, a special moment. Ka Ying Rising is the champion today in the Chairman's Sprint Prize. Now, please stand for the national anthem of the winning country, China.
跟住落嚟，我哋有請香港警察樂隊演奏勝出頭馬所代表國家中國嘅國歌，有請各位起立並隨舞奏國歌。
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the trophy presentation once again. Put your hands together for our champion, Ka Ying Rising.
The FWD Champions Mile will be held at race 7, ladies and gentlemen, and the FWD QE2 Cup will be held at race 8, and we'll see you there. 主席短途獎嘅頒獎儀式已經圓滿結束啦，記得留意我哋陣間第7場嘅富衛保險冠軍一哩賽以及第8場嘅富衛保險女王杯㗎。提大家，富衛保險冠軍賽馬日大抽獎呢，截止時間就係3點半啦，未登記嘅朋友快啲行動啦！頭獎有機會呢，就可以獲得日本雙人來回東京競馬場嘅體驗。我哋陣間頒獎禮再見。
And also not to be missed is the FWD Champions Day Lucky Draw. See you at the next trophy presentation. Thank you.
「好啦，再一次恭喜勝出嘅馬主同埋騎練啦！馬上睇翻呢一個主席短途獎嘅巡邏影片啊！